I'm Ridhanya from 3rd A. I'm here to sharing my calculating experience with you all. Can anybody knows about December 22? Any idea? Yes, it is S. Ramanujan's birth anniversary. Okay, let's move into the topic. Zoo adventure with numbers. Joe and Joy were excited. It was a field trip. The whole 3rd A was going to a friendly zoo. There we can see so many animals and birds like eagle, frogs, rat, rabbit, etc. Students were eagerly waiting to visit the zoo. Their teacher Mrs. Flora said that they had a special math mission contains checklist of questions. They saw a beautiful birds in a big cage. The teacher asked first question, how many birds are there? Joe counted 50 sparrows, 25 minus and 10 parrots. So total 85 birds, ma'am. She, very good, Joe. Next, they saw different types of frogs. Now, Balaram had asked the question to Dushyant and Harshit. They counted 35 frogs and 10 frogs separately and answered 45 frogs. Balaram appreciated for their correct answers. The whole class went to nearby a big cat. The zookeeper said that the cat eats 6 fishes every day. Now this time, he asked the question to students. How many fishes eaten by the cat for 15 days? The brilliant student used multiplication table. 15 6 are 90 fishes. Yes, the brilliant answered by 3rd A. Next, they move on to Monkey Palace. 10 monkeys were there, but jumped here and there. The zookeeper wanted to bring 100 bananas. Now this time, our student asked the question to him. Each monkey can get how many bananas equally? Zookeeper calculated and answered 100 divided by 10 equal to 10. Now, there was a beautiful swimming pool and 33 geese were swimming. Then 13 geese were left to nearby pool. Now this time, Ridhanya asked the question to students, how many geese are there in that first pond? Her classmates used multiplication subtraction method. 33 minus 13 equal to 20 geese. So, 3rd A has been filled out checklist with correct answers. They had a fantastic day proving that math can be found everywhere, even at the zoo. Thank you.